Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mashvatasana Inner Light Studio. Let's see, this will be a general reading though, and the zodiac sign that we are going to talk about will be Libra first. So let's see what is it for Libra. Okay, so I got a flipper, but I'm not going to take it because it was 6 cards together. So Libra, how you all are doing today? Because I remember the last reading was quite good and everything was aligned, and I found that it's quite progressive. I mean, let's see. As you know, first card is important. The Sun card, Queen of Swords, Five of Cups. So the reading will be your present and your immediate future. The Fool card, Hierophant, Two of Pentacles. We'll see the bottom of the deck. That is, you can see it's a World card. Okay. So you are getting the opportunity that I can see, but at the same time you are missing out on few opportunities as well. So it's, you need to maintain your pace. You are confident, that is good, but what, too many buts are, if and buts are coming out. So this may cause, because Mercury is still on a retrograde mode and it will be direct on 22nd of August. So 22nd of August, today is what, 28th, maybe 2 to 3 days more to go. And what I can see, the Sun card brings a lots of positivity in your life. You are positive, you are quite optimistic, but somehow you are also holding your position, holding your power. You are thinking and deciding, but while thinking and deciding, you are losing out on opportunities as well. And losing out on opportunities are still okay, but after that, I feel that you are regretting a bit. So I'd like to tell you, this will be a general reading at the beginning of the video, as I told you. And if this resonates, you go ahead with the entire video. If it doesn't, you can ignore this, okay? And also, if it is 50-50, something is resonating and something is not, then you can go back to your birth chart and check the birth chart, check the transition and all that is happening. So progressions, that all those things are happening on your birth chart, then you can get the right prediction. And if you want any customized or personalized reading or crystal suggestions, crystal healing, distance Reiki healing, you can do connect with me. Email address and contact details are given in the description box below. Also, you can go through the website. You will get to know what Reiki is, what crystal healing is, how it works and all. Okay, meanwhile, let's clarify what is Queen of Swords. Why is Queen of Swords here? Let's get the clarification. Queen of Swords, okay, Queen of Swords. Why is this Queen of Swords here? What any messages regarding Queen of Swords, Libra? Okay, so you are holding your power. That's you are overcoming your fear of uncertainty, fear of finances, fear of relationship. It can be any deep down fear that you are overcoming, and now you are thinking that okay, I don't have to worry too much. I'm holding my pace, and so accordingly I can act and get out of a prolonged uncertainty kind of thing. Meanwhile, what is happening that you are confused about the opportunities that you are getting. We will get the clarification of 5 of cups, why we are getting a 5 of cups here. Let's see, Libra, why there is a 5 of cups here. Let's clarify why there is a 5 of cups. 7 of swords, 4 of cups, wheel of fortune. So wheel of fortune is not always that something new coming up. When we find the wheel of fortune with, see the cards, so we asked for this clarification. So clarification of 5 of cups, where we got 7 of swords. You are building your way up, and wheel of fortune is you are completing one cycle.
Mommy.
So once you are completing your cycle,
Mommy,
you are,
I'm stuck in the sofa.
it's okay, you will, I'm sorry. So because we are getting 5 of cups, and immediately after that we are getting a fool card together. This, you are letting it go. It's a long stucking or a long fear that might I mean, it's creating some obstacles for you. It's creating doubts, a lot of inner pain, a lot of healing that you are going through, and so come you will overcome everything. So that's why it's a ending of a cycle. And of course, if something ends, there will be a new beginning for sure. And after this fool card and 5 of cups, you are getting a hierophant. Hierophant is the peace, the harmony, and you are getting this clarity. But still, 2 of pentacles are there. So 2 of pentacles is something like you are in peace, your immediate future, but still a little bit of doubt, because of, if we are going through to to a deeper pain, so it takes time to overcome that. A long prolonged fear, it can be a fear of anything. So a prolonged fear can take time to heal and to overcome. So insecurities are still there. So let's see what else is there in immediate future for Libra. The healing work is on. You are doing amazing. You are healing. You are your perceptions are different now. You are clearing and cutting off the old patterns. You are learning something new. You are flexible. What is the immediate future for Libra? Okay, what card we are getting? It's abundance, 9 of cups, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. Okay, and there we are getting, all right. So it's a long healing process, but you know where to go. You are constantly trying for it, and you will be there. Right? So that's it for Libra. We will gradually move on to other signs as well. Till now, Thank you so much. Have a great day.